Hello friends, good afternoon, and today we will see Pravekshika 2 revised syllabus grammar Samuchyabodak or conjunctions. Okay, so first question, Samuchyabodak किसे कहते हैं, क्या काम है, कितने प्रकार के होते हैं? That means what do you mean by Samuchyabodak and what is use and what are the types? This is the one question, and now we will go for the answer. दो शब्दों, दो वाक्यांशों या दो वाक्यों को मिलाने वाले शब्द समुच्चय बोधक हैं. That means two words or part of a sentence or sentences when we used particular word which combines or give the meaning to that additional sentence, it is known as समुच्चयबोधक. नंबर 1 संयोजक, नंबर 2 वियोजक. So these are the two types. संयोजक is example, राम और गोपाल भाई हैं. That means Ram and Gopal are brothers. Now we will see example for वियोजक. राम अच्छी तरह पढ़ता है पर कम अंक लाता है. That means Ram studies well but scores less percentage. Okay, so you can see the difference between first one is संयोजक, that is it's a positive sentence, okay, and it is affirmation. And number 2 वियोजक is again a good sentence but it is showing the difference between two person. Okay, so this difference created is known as वियोजक. वियोजक means to create a gap. Okay, so let's see the next question. Savistar uttar, that means explain in depth, so it is a big marks question like 5 marks. Okay, समुच्चय बोधक की परिभाषा देकर संयोजक समुच्चय बोधक और नियोजक समुच्चय बोधक का अंतर लिखिए. So writer again asked the same question, but this time he wants in a detailed one. Okay, so வாங்க இப்போ detailed answer எழுதலாம். இதில் definition will be same. शब्दों, शब्दांशों या दो वाक्यों को मिलाने वाले शब्द समुच्चय बोधक हैं. Okay, till here it is already explained in the first question. Moving ahead, संयोजक समुच्चय बोधक, वियोजक समुच्चय बोधक, इसके दो प्रकार हैं. These are the two types. Okay, this is also we have covered in last question. Now see the detailed one. संयोजक, संयोजक समुच्चय बोधक एकता या मेल को प्रकट करता है. Okay, so the word or the conjunction which shows the unity between two similar or different sentences, that is Ram और Shyam दोनों भाई हैं. That means Ram and Shyam both are brother. So they are combining two different people in one in positive form, and it is a unity. That is संयोजक, to make one. Number 2 वियोजक समुच्चय बोधक, दो शब्दों को मिलाकर मतलब को अलग प्रकट करता है. That means it combines, since it's a conjunction, it is a part of a conjunction, definitely it will add one or more sentences. But in this time, in Viyojak, in this particular type, it will show the difference also. It will first add and it will show the difference. Let's see the example. राम और श्याम पढ़ते हैं पर श्याम ही पहला मार्क लेता है. So what the writer is giving as example, Ram and Shyam studies but Shyam brings the first division. Okay, so that is the difference. So here the both different human are combined in unity in a positive way, then the difference has been shown. Okay, So conjunction has two types, Sanyojak and Viyojak. Okay. So friends, as I keep on telling you that I am more concerned about your marks just like you, so I will be sharing you with another answer from another book, and it will be more detailed one. It is up to you. It is for knowledge. You can have this as your notes. Okay, good luck for your exams, and let's meet on another topic of grammar. Okay, bye.